Hey guys, so I just woke up. Today is Friday and it's around 7 a.m. and I am reviewing for my quiz tomorrow and two courses yun nire-review ko, which is radiobiology and imaging equipment. So yesterday, nag-start na ako mag-review after class namin. So around 1 p.m. ata yun. Nagagawa ko ng reviewer and at the same time, inaaral ko siyang mabuti. So, sobrang tagal. Actually, hindi pa ako tapos sa radiobiology and I still have imaging equipment and may class kami later, mga 1 p.m. So, this quiz is actually part of the prelim assessment na basta meron kaming agreement with our prof. And, yeah. Tapos, medyo nahihirapan talaga ako sa radiation physics kaya pinagtutunan ko ng pansin tong radiobiology before I proceed to imaging equipment. And now, mag-active recalling lang ako. If natatandaan ko pa ba yung review ko kahapon since I have short-term memory lang. So, pagdating sa mga long-term memory, medyo bagsak ako doon. Nag-fail talaga, like, nakakalimutan ko talaga yung mga nire-review ko. And sorry if my camera is shaky or moving kasi nasa ibabaw siya ng bed ko and naanginan siya ng electric fan. And sorry if medyo madilim, I forgot to charge again my clip light. So I'm going to show you my setup. This is my setup, guys. So kaka-open ko lang ulit ng laptop ko. And this is my iPad. Bababaan ko yung brightness niya para makita nyo. So meron siyang keyboard. It's from Apple then. Yung keyboard na gamit ko. I use Google Docs to type in my reviewer and then I'm going to save it. And yeah, highlight ko siya sa GoodNotes. And then, I use my laptop for the PowerPoint and searching some terms, ganyan. Minsan, I use AI. Then, papa-explain ko sa kanya para magets ko siya. And then, going to ask that AI if tama ba yung comprehension ko about the processes. And then, sometimes I use, or no, most of the time, I check the information on my PDF books. I have a lot of PDF books here in GoodNotes. Wait, I'm going to show you. Ayan. Yan yung mga PDF notes na gamit ko this sem for the second year for semester. And some of them are still useful after this semester, like Pushong. I can still use it for radiation protection and other courses. I forgot my lapel sa kwarto ko. But I'm eating breakfast. It's around 8:30 a.m. And it's siopaw from Lola Nenas. Kasi yun yung mga para ka antibiotic for my kid. Hi, Ella. Say hi. Hi to my vlog. Hi! Kaya magsalita. Hi. Ayun. Tapos mag-review na ako ulit. Hi guys, nandito na ako sa baba. Nandito ako sa pwesto ni Kuya. Pumasok na kasi siya. Sobrang init na dun sa kwarto ko. So dito na ako pumwesto. And this is my setup. This is my setup. So this is my iPad. And then my laptop. And then I found my lamp kasi ayoko mag-open ng light. And I use ChatGPT to search.
Ang cute mag-video sa iPad.
Talaga yung uniform ko.
Maangat. Ang tagal ni sir. 7:30 yung class, pero 9 a.m. na oh.